Like,
no, it's not.
Tell my house to who I want to.
It's nepotism, and there's nothing wrong with nepotism. It's nothing wrong with ensuring that someone who is connected to you or looks like you has a shot. Because for the culture, it's not just some cool to say. We're trying to keep a culture of people self-reliant so that we make a bigger investment to the larger community. So I don't really care how you feel, you know what I'm saying? Like, I know that old black lady when we walked in that room who sold us a commercial building in Atlanta, in Savannah. When she seen my wife was black, you should see it in the tears just well in her eyes, because she knew what it took for her to get it, and she wanted to make sure someone who looked like her and was from her culture had an opportunity to do the similar thing. So
today is Sunday, and I'm just now uploading the AnnWeOut Vloggin episode 5. It took about 3 hours for this thing to upload because it's 2.1 gigabytes. That's why I never have any storage. 2 gigabytes for one video. It is long. It's probably one of the longest videos that I've ever made. It's like 27 to 30 minutes long. Is Sam's only in Texas? Or is that nationwide? So we're at Sam's getting some water and some stuff to make for the Super Bowl tonight. Even though I won't be watching the game, I just want to eat. So I just tried to make like a cute little, you know, little montage of you following me around the store, but I'm getting nervous because my camera keeps shaking inside of the basket. She's looking at this shower water head dispenser. It looks pretty cool. Look how it's coming out of there. That's how it looks. So this is what we came for. Let's see if this is gonna be the only thing that we leave with. Y'all, I saw 2 ladies in there with micro locks. So it could have been sister locks, micro locks, braid out. They had micro locks. One of them, hers was like shoulder length and they were on braid. It looked like she just did a braid out or something. And then one lady, she had hers in like braided in 2 pigtails. And then it was gray and white. Like it was like a ombre from white to gray. It looked really good. I wanted to ask them like, oh, like how you maintain your hair? Like what you wash your hair with? But you know, I don't want to put people on blast like that, but it was really cool.
But I wasn't grown up in
What's up, y'all? Today's Tuesday and I just got home. I checked my DMs on Instagram and Kayla just sent me this really sweet message. Thank you, Kayla. It's my ring light. Y'all can talk. I'm gonna put music over this. So one of the boxes came in these orange plastic covers that's gonna go over the light to make it look like a golden tone. It also came with, let's see what this is. Looks like a plug. The thing that I put my camera on or my phone. And what is this? Looks like, oh, this is the thing that I put my phone on. So I'm gonna figure out how to set this up and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like after. Hey y'all, so I'm back at home and I have the light set up. Today's Thursday, it's a whole nother day, but I was so tired last night, I just could not. I couldn't. I had to go to bed, so I brought it out tonight. So this is the ring light. This is the orange case. I don't know if I was able to show you well enough, but this is the orange case that you stick onto the light. I also got a white case that just looks like this. And I'm guessing that this makes the light more, I guess, less warm tone. This is supposed to be warm tone. In the picture on Amazon, it showed that it was like a golden color and I'm not getting that, but it's okay. So I'm going to show you what it looks like with the white casing so that you can see what it looks like whenever it's like the white light and then this is the golden light. So there are different levels to this. So this is the dimmest that I can go without it being completely off. Okay, there you go. This is the dimmest that I can go without it being completely off. I kind of like it more like this, to be honest. So that's completely off. I have my lights on back there and this is how bright it can go. This is the brightest. It's pretty bright, right? My eyes are hurting, so I'm gonna dim it back down. All right, so this is the yellow case. I'm gonna show you whenever I take it off so you can see. Okay, so now I have the white light on, so I'm gonna turn it up. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the lowest I can go without turning it off. So this is the lowest that I can go without it being completely off. And now I'm going to turn it up. I don't know why I'm looking like this. So this is the brightest that it can go. This is pretty bright. Yeah, how do people function like this? Whatever. But I want to show y'all, this is the orange case that I had on previously. I thought it was gonna give me the golden hour look, but it did not. But it's fine. It still looks good. Let me know if you can even spot the difference. This one does kind of make me look a little bit more ashy. This is the brightest. How do people, I wonder if people actually film like this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so let me get off of here. I'm about to go turn in my Canvas quiz or turn in my physics quiz online, because we take quizzes online. And then I'm gonna go to bed. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I think that I have recorded almost every single day this week, and that's really cool. That's been one of my goals, to just pick up the camera once a day, and I think that I have done that except for Tuesday. I don't remember picking up the camera on Tuesday, but the other days I think I did good. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. But Friday, good morning y'all. It's 8:22 a.m. on a Sunday morning. I'm taking out my twists that I just put in last night. I just did like really big ones. Yeah, I didn't do it for like a specific style or anything. I just did it because I don't know why. I don't know, sometimes I get bored and I just twist my hair up. Today's Sunday, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog off here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to, y'all already know the whole spiel, hashtag AnnWeOut in the comments. If you made it to this point in the video, I want you to comment this emoji. I'll talk to you guys. I guess I might as well just show y'all, just take it all down and just show you. I might as well, because to be taking these twists down just in the video, that's just mean. So I'm just gonna take it down. I think I'm gonna wash my hair today too, even though I hate washing my hair on Sundays, but it might happen today. I have this ring light on. I want y'all to comment below if you can even spot the difference. I want y'all to comment down below, like which case do you think this is, the white case or the yellow case, or the orange case. I'm really interested to know if y'all can even tell the difference, because I can slightly tell the difference, even though the orange one is not golden hour tone like how I thought it would be. And I ordered that light off of Amazon, by the way. I don't think I ever said. Sorry, I keep looking up here like this is the only mirror thing I have with me right now. Okay, so this is my hair. I didn't even separate it all the way, so if there are holes and stuff in it, then that's why it's all bunched up. So I'll see you next week with another vlog, and I'm out.